Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some gorgeous black hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. So if you've been finding yourself stuck in a hair rut, get ready because these hairstyles are definitely going to shake things up. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the looks spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest black hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today's video with this hair color transformation. She is definitely going at ginger here. Oh my goodness. This color looks absolutely beautiful on her. And of course, this is just the perfect hair color for the fall season. Wow, so beautiful. Next up, we move into a hair install. So she is getting a pixie for this one. Oh, this is super cute. She's got the asymmetrical shape going here. Gorgeous lashes. I love the shape of this pixie. And then we move into a haircut transformation. So it looks like she went super short with an all black pixie style. Very cute. Then we got a nice tapered haircut transformation. Little design. And then we move into a mullet. So y'all remember a couple of years ago, mullets were everywhere. We've kind of seen them phase out a little bit, but they might just be making a comeback this fall. We'll have to wait and see. And then we have this breathtaking silver, beautiful bob. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Followed by this braided hairstyle. She's got the cute baby hairs styled to perfection in the front. I love this fluffy fishtail style braid. Very cute. So here we have an angled bob style. I love the dramatic flare of this bob. It is much longer on one side versus the other. And then we have a big chop transformation. So let's see how short she is going to end up going here. Ooh, beautiful pixie style. Oh, lots of curls mixed in here. So here we have a color transformation. Some red going. Oh, she's doing the color pop trend. Oh, wow. Now this is definitely a hot combo for fall. Blonde mixed with the red, very pretty. And then here we have another hair install. And the way that she installed the hair looks super natural. Beautiful amount of layers going here. Very cute. All right, you guys, thank you so much for checking out another video. If you enjoyed these hairstyles, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.